Hey guys, Michael Newrock here. I'm on the Aussie Kiwi. I'm going to just move this alert to the side down here, and let's take a look at this trade. It looks nice. We've had a couple of rolling trends here, and right now I've had the fast-moving average cross over the slow-moving average. Trend follow has just turned to green. The overall direction is green. 4 out of the 6 higher time frames, and the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly are up. RSI is above the 50, MACD is above the 0 line, and stochastic has crossed over just recently. So all in all, it's looking good. Trade management is in place. I can update that if I wish, and all I need to do is click yes, and there you go. Trade's been entered. Stop has been dynamically generated, and let's have a look. Around 40 pips, and it's based on the conditions, and about 150 pips to the upside. So, or even 190 odd, 250 as an ultimate. So, 40 odd pips risk, 250 pips reward. That's how I like to play the game. Small risk, big reward, and I suggest that you do too. Whenever you trade, always look for a trade setup that offers the potential of a small risk, big reward. Alrighty, I'm going to pause the video now, come back as soon as I have an update. See you soon. Alright, I'm back, and my first trade is complete. That happened quick and never went against me. I love those trades. So 401 bucks turned into capital on a half a lot trade. So very reasonable. I've got the other trade open, sitting on around 410 bucks, and let's just have a look. So locked in 85 pips. That's my first trade. Closed and turned into capital. My second position is still open, 70 pips, locked in profits. So, as far as I'm concerned, the music is still playing. I'm in a strong upward direction. 4 out of the 6 higher time frames are pointing up. All my conditions, all my indicators are saying that the conditions are right for further rally. You never know in trading, you never know. But what I do know is that I have profits locked in. I've converted my first position from equity into capital. That's what it's all about. And I've locked in pips and profits on my second position. So whatever happens, bring it on. I'm ready for it. I'll see you soon. Hey, I'm back. Wow, that didn't take long. One bar on and boom, both gone. But hey, 730, just over 730 bucks in the bank, both on half lot positions. Of course, I got taken out of my second position there and my first position. But as I said, 730 bucks in the bank, just a little bit above that. And 70 pips on my on my second position, 85 pips thereabouts on my first position. So it's looking good. What would I do now? Well, it's still upward, and I still have a belief in this pair that it's going to go up. So, all the conditions are still right. Maybe we're just looking at it being a little bit overbought. That's what my stochastic is suggesting. Now I've just moved to my 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. And you can see it's in a full-on downwards move on the 15 minutes. So I'm going to let this trade go for a while. I'm going to keep an eye on it. See how the price responds at that slow-moving average, perhaps. Maybe we'll find support there. I can see to the left back around the 7th of November, well, actually from about the 2nd of November to the 8th of November, we see a bit of a consolidation pattern. So let's see if we find support there and another opportunity to the upside. But I'm always looking at which way the wind is blowing. That's the trade that I'm taking. So I'm not married to a long/buy position on this pair, just if price holds. Otherwise, I'm loyal to no one but myself as far as trading goes. And if there's a good opportunity to the downside, I'll take it. But anyway, that's it from me. A few $100 more in my bank. That's the important thing. Always be closing. always be locking in profits, always be adding to your capital, and it makes trading a lot more enjoyable, let me tell you. So until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.